Today we have come with a review of this one more product from China. This is a solar light by a company called Shani, and it's a solar street light, a 120 watt outdoor light, and it's a good company. And they have shown all the pictures in it, how it's like, and it's a famous company from China. The price is about 11,000 rupees, and I got it on sale. The price was 27% discount, and you can see this is the actual light. It's a big solar light, and it's about 120 watts. You can use it for in the garden or outside the gate for security purposes. uh, let's open and see how it's like. And the model is ST300. It has a white light, and it has a light body, not very heavy, and very nicely it fits in the any way we want to use it. And you can see that it's a very nice product, and also comes with a wireless controller to turn it on and turn it off. It's a good quality product. This is the remote, and you turn it off. It has three modes, and this is the above panel, and this socket is for fixing it on the wall or on the garden. And this is the actual product. I am very impressed by this product. It can be used in all kind of weathers, in rain and outside. The charging time is about 4 to 6 hours, and working time is about 12 hours. It has a auto switch on and off, and it has an auto mode, and the battery size is about 10,000 mAh. This is the on and off switch, and this is the sensor, and these are the lights. Let's see how it works. And you can see that it has a good light, since we have light here. And you can see that the sensor is working. When I put it downside, it turns on, and the light is very good for night. So I would say that it's a very good product from a good supplier. We are promoting this company's product in Pakistan, and Shani is a very good company from China. If you have any questions, we would be happy to help you out. Leave a link in the description. Please like our channel and subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.